Hello and welcome. My name is David Oisamoje. If you're just joining me for the very first time, my channel is about testing strategies on the US30 stock to know if they are profitable for you to trade with or not. So if this is something you're interested in, you want to know the win rate of different strategies so that you can know if you are profitable using them on the US30, then my channel is all about that. I focus on the US30 for my test. So if this is something you want to stick to, I would advise you stick to a single pair if you're just starting up. And US30 is quite stable, so it's a good recommendation if you ask me. So what am I using for this one? I'm using the MACD strategy, the MACD strategy to trade this one. I've done previous videos on the 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, and the 1 hour. So this is the 4 hours. So you can see those videos for yourself if you've not watched them already. It's a very simple strategy. All you have to do is take trade above the 200 moving average and the MACD below the zero line, and for sell the MACD above the zero line and the price below the 200 moving average. So this would have been the first trade here. So I would have just taken this. Remember, I use a 2-to-1 risk reward on all my trades, so I would just have done this. Okay, I love to give it a space. I would have done this if you ask me, but yes, I would have done just this, and I would have taken, you can take it 1.5 if you want to. You can take a 1.5 if you want to, but I would have taken more than that. Okay, so as you can see, this line, this second line would have been, this is my last low. I would have put my stop at the second line. If you watch my other video, that's what I've done in the past. So you can see we add a 2 there, we add a 2 there, and would have won that if you ask me, or close to that. No, we didn't win that, but if we kept on going, okay, if we kept on going, we should have won that. If you had done a 1.5, you would have won that. So that's the strategy. So I'm just going to go through and take trade right from the beginning of this year. We are at the, all right, we are at the 200 moving average stats for this year, which is the 17th of February, all through today, and I will give you the win rate. So if this is something you're interested in, make sure you stick around while I take this trade, and I'll see you at the end of the video. Whoa, welcome back, welcome back. So from the beginning of January 2019, on the 4-hour time frame using the US30 stock, I was able to make 41 trades. Yes, you heard me right, from the beginning of 2019 to the present November date of 2020. I was able to take 41 trade. I won 9 in a row and I lost just 3 in a row. To me, it looks good. If you ask me, if you're not in a super mad rush to make good profit, if you're not rushing to make good profit, then it's a good one for you. Yes, the profit on the account, I'll get back to that in the end, but we're able to make 53% win rate using the MACD strategy on the US30, winning 22 in a row, winning 22 and just losing 19. So if this is something you're interested in, then you can master the MACD strategy and use it for yourself. The profit on the account was 2,500, assuming you had a 10K account. So the profit was 2,500. That's a good win reward ratio. If you ask me, you would have won more if you used a 1.5, a 1 to 1.5 win reward ratio, but I used a 1.5 to 2 win reward ratio. That's why I got the result I got. If you used the 1.5 win reward ratio, 1 to 1.5, you would have won more. Your profit would have not maybe would have not been more, but you'd have still been in profit overall. So it's a good trading strategy. So this brings us to the end of the MACD testing. I'm going to be starting a new trading strategy with a different indicator after this video. So make sure you subscribe if you've not subscribed already, so that you don't miss out on my newest upload. And with that said, thanks for watching this series, and join me on the next series while I start that. Stay blessed, stay loved. I remain your host, David Oisamoje.